Let's find out if this tool is even worth having. This is Estelle, and in this video, I'm going to break down what this is, how it's used, and if it's worth having, all from the expertise of a medical massage therapist. Goodness, Nova, what's up? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, everybody knows to like, follow, and subscribe. Who doesn't want to power their healing? As I'm sure you figured out, as a massage therapist, I use my hands and forearms a lot. So it makes sense that I would run across this guy. You do need a flat surface to use this tool. You can move this knob here to increase or decrease the intensity. The closer the rollers are together, the more intense it is. Once you get it to the setting that works for you, all you need to do is push your hand and forearm through the rollers, then pull back. You can go back and forth for up to 15 minutes. Don't be afraid to rotate your forearm to get the textured roller on both sides if that isn't too intense. And of course, repeat for the other side. The benefit of this tool is how it's much faster and easier way to roll the forearm without fighting a golf ball. The price isn't horrible, more than a golf ball though. The downside is the lack of options. As far as I'm aware of, you can't change these rollers out for something more or less intense. Also, please avoid the elbow joint. It's just too easy to damage the joint with foam rolling. So I give it one thumb up. If there's a product you want me to review next, leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and comment below if you have any questions.